Hindi ko malimutan kung kailan nagsimulang matutong ikaw lang ang mahalin. At di ko malimutan kung kailan ko natikman ang tamis ng iyong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang langit.
This ring is the sign of the covenant I have made with you today. Now here,
with an eternal love. As I place it on your hand and you receive it, you acknowledge that you are no longer your own, but mine.
That the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way.
Yan, gusto ko mag-yachting sana. Pwede siguro. Kaya lang si Richie gusto nun matulog na.
If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe.
kahapon tawan-tawan na naman ako.
Saan to?
Nag-rehearse kami, tapos yung vows niya,
Agaran Dalarosh Chichikal Guguru Jangara.
Together could never be close enough for me to feel like I am close enough to you.
Picture. Picture ngayon sila. Picture.
You wear white and I wear out the world.
Our lifetime together begins today, and I will cherish every single moment that I spend with you here on earth, and until we finally join our Father in heaven.
Stay in every day.
Ganyan yata talaga pag nagmamahal ka ng totoo. Naging mahirap ang simula natin. May mga pagkakataon na sumuko ako. Patawad, mahal. Hindi ko naman kasi alam na ito pala ang sukli sa lahat ng paghihirap na yun. Mabuti na lang at hindi ka sumuko. Maraming salamat.
Always be happy by my side. I promise to sing to you.
Simula sa araw na ito, ikaw na ang makakasama ko sa buong buhay ko. I have never been so happy in all my life. Thank you.